Oh, wow, this cute. Tanisha, even that stool there for $6,000. Guys, I am in PINGS right now. I don't know I love PINGS. And PINGS, I bring it to a look here. This one is for, what's the price for this one? 10,000 for this one, and this one as well is 10,000. So you see the same fake tree them when we talk about them here, 10 grand. These are 8,000. And these are 10,000. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling so excited already. And this one over here is 8,000. They have these.
Cutie. Look at this $500 for the board to write on.
Them really are PINGS.
This is the only one. This is a plant that they can put two succulent in this.
Yeah, this is nice.
$500. Are the only ones this?
Tanisha, I woof you. I woof you.
So you don't see the cup. So that could be eat out unless my cup.
I love you. I woof
only
you.
for buy that give me for Christmas.
Are we?
Yeah, I saw it. Renee, look at this.
Jesus.
Why am I
I'm not think the price bad.
No.
Based on all them put
Renee, you know, so this is me, right?
Yeah.
You'll have to go buy this, give me, Renee. How much is this?
We need money, and then we can.
I did love this too. Alright, just to buy the sink, I want to set up the liquor stand where you put the hand soap, a little succulent, and the dishwashing liquid in.
Mama give me her money for buy them kangle already, you know. And me eat the money already. She tell me about buy the kangle me for buy Android box.
Your plan for working.
My girl, grandfather, money me having a you know. Oh, they looking now $200. How much for the liquor? Mushroom. Oh, they make for $200. Sure, oh, this a tree. $5. She said I never put a price on it.
Tanisha, even that stool there for $6,000. Look at our little stool. Yeah, the table me mean.
This is gorgeous.
Tanisha, them price no bad. Look on this for 18 grand. This no bad.
You know what this is nice for me? Underneath my step. Perfect. The only thing that I wish it would have is more storage.
Yeah, if it
But
is
this would be
seal.
perfect.
Fold index, 20 grand. This mirror where you put your jewelry them in.
Yeah, girl, you want to sit inside. You know, this would be me.
Oh, yeah.
I could fold this right now at home. I could fold this.
How much you say for
This,
this?
you know.
How much you said? How much you did say for this?
15. Yes.
Yeah. $500. Basket 1,500. Slide over there, Lorraine. These are what, 1,200. Let's go. These are what, $1,500. Guys, I'll have some here. That's
Tell me I go.
white one here. Police hold it, take out there.
Oh, it can take out. So something like this, 2 of these will be cute.
$1 for them, yeah. So
Yeah,
about
but
much.
ask Lorraine how much for it. You want, she like shoes. Oh,
These are nice.
these are plain, but it have the. I love this, but more of the price. This gonna be the same as the $300. When you love this, but this when you.
May I look for them?
When you want to pour them. I love this baby.
Oh yeah, they. Much them set here go for? See some set here, you know, some little. Spice jar, the man shit one them.
Oh,
Yeah. Every time I look, it's like I see something else what I never see. This one now. What is? Oh, clothespin, laundry pod, all are your laundry pod them.
oh.
Yeah, the same pod.
Oh,
some
the
of
washing
them.
machine.
Yeah, me just.
It's not cute. Me, I think I think there.
Me think a kitchen something.
You put the pods them in
Yeah.
this. Oh, wow, this cute.
Yeah. You see, every time we pass something where we never see.
Coulda
Can we
put
come
my
here so much
clothespin them
time?
in this.
Your clothespin them too can't hold in that. I must if you display. The pads them will
No.
make better use. This nice too, you know.
Let
Look
me
at
tell you
tree
something I
there.
want from all along. So Christmas, some just wrap some little tiny box and put in there as a gifts.